Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can upload files to your Miro board. Let's get right into it. So the first way you can upload files to your Miro board is to drag and drop them into Miro. So I've got the Windows File Explorer open and I'm going to drag and drop a PDF file onto the Miro board. And it's been uploaded. I'm going to drag and drop a PNG image file onto the Miro board and it's been uploaded. I'm going to drag and drop a GIF, and it's been uploaded. If you don't want to drag and drop your files onto the Miro board, there's also another way. On the toolbar on the left hand side of the screen, click on the plus button here. Then you're going to want to search in the search tools box. Then you're going to want to type upload in the search box up here. Then you're going to want to click on upload. Then click on my device. And you'll be taken to a Windows File Explorer. Then you're going to want to select a file that you want to upload by clicking on it. Then click on open. And your file will now be uploaded to the Miro board. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed. And if you want to know how to upload videos to your Miro board, click the videos on screen and they'll show you. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed. And subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.